Welcome to the Glass House, a true masterpiece of architectural luxury nestled on the prestigious Melaleuca Drive on Hamilton Island. Spanning over 2,400 square metres, this extraordinary estate offers unrivaled views of the Coral Sea, seamlessly blending the beauty of nature with the pinnacle of contemporary design. Every detail of the glass house has been meticulously crafted to provide a lifestyle of absolute opulence and comfort. The home features 7 spacious bedrooms, 6 of which boast private ensuites, offering unparalleled privacy and luxury. Expansive living and dining areas are designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living, with oversized sliding doors that open to sweeping views and multiple extensive entertaining spaces. A chef's dream kitchen, fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, offers the perfect setting for culinary excellence, while the sunken lounge and numerous balconies create the ideal spaces for relaxation and enjoyment. The lower level is a resort-style sanctuary designed for ultimate entertainment. A fully equipped bar, pool table, yoga area, and media room provide endless opportunities for leisure, while an 18-meter infinity edge pool, spa, and family-friendly splash deck complete the outdoor oasis. Bedrooms throughout the property boast stunning water views, while additional guest accommodations include a 2-bedroom flat with its own lounge and kitchenette, ensuring a perfect retreat for visitors. The Glass House is not just a home, it's a sanctuary, offering every modern convenience and more. Sold fully furnished and professionally styled, it includes 2 electric buggies and a commercial-grade gym, making it the ultimate in luxury living. This exclusive property is also a prime income-generating investment, with nightly rates starting at $6,500 per night. Indulge in a life of unrivaled luxury at the Glass House, an unparalleled residence that claims its place as the finest home on Hamilton Island.